Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that there was a sharp move on Friday and ultimately market closed at 1814, this level, 1814 level. So you can see that I have a level here on the chart 1808, and if you have watched my previous videos on gold, then you know it very well that 1808 was a very strong resistance for the market, and somehow gold managed to close above the resistance yesterday. Because see, if you go to the weekly chart of gold USD here, and if I remove the drawings, you can see that 1808 level was so strong that it was acting as a resistance for the market for the last 2 months. Each candle signifies 1 week. So there are 8 candles here. It means that 1808 was a strong level for the last 2 months. But ultimately gold has managed somehow and closed above the 1808 level. So that's a good thing if you are bullish on gold. So let's get back to the chart of gold USD here, and let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of gold USD right now. You can see that I have got many lines here, many levels here. Don't get confused. I'll be explaining them one by one so that you can understand the market better and also do proper analysis and take the proper trade on Monday. Okay, so first and foremost, let's discuss about the 1790 level. If you have watched my other videos, then you know that 1790, this level has been acting as a strong resistance for the market previously, then it became the support here, then again it became the resistance, and right now again it is acting as a support. So 1790 is a support for the market. Okay, confirmed support. Okay, I'll use the word confirmed support here. Okay, so you must draw this line 1790 on the chart. So apart from 1790, you can see that I have also drawn a trend line here. I have drawn a trend line here. So whenever market was coming down, it was taking support at a trend line also. So therefore we have got two support on the chart of gold USD right now. So first support is 1790 and the second support is this trend line. So you must draw these two lines in your charting platform, because these two are the confirmed. Okay, I am using the word confirm again, confirm support on the gold USD chart. And after that, the important level on the gold USD chart is the resistance. Okay, as we have a support, therefore we must be having resistance as well, and the resistance level is 1832 level, because if I zoom out the chart, then you can see that previously when market was trading above this level, okay, 1832 level was the resistance for the market failed to cross 1832 level whenever market was going upside. Therefore we can still assume that 1832 is a valid resistance for the market, and whenever market will be going up from here, it will be facing resistance at this level. Therefore 1832 is a confirmed resistance. So we have a confirmed resistance, confirmed supports in the form of 1790 and this trend line. Clear? But right now what we need to focus here is that, okay, listen to me carefully, things may get a little bit complicated from here. Okay, so just try to understand my words. So if you just look at the present market price, then it is 1814, and we had a resistance at 1808 level, we had a resistance at 1808 level, and generally we know that in the market support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. And right now market is trading above the resistance, but as it happened during the last closing hours, therefore we still do not have the confirmation. Listen to me carefully, we still do not have the confirmation whether 1808 has become the new support for the market or not. Yes, as the market has given a closing above this level during the last closing hours, therefore we do not have the confirmation yet whether 1808 is a confirmed support or not, or whether it is a new support or not. Therefore, on Monday, let the market open on Monday. Don't do anything. If you do not have any fresh position in the market, do not trade right away. At first, we need the confirmation of this particular level, whether it is the new support or not, whether market will be able to trade above this level or not. Then only it will be safe for us. Yes, I'm using the word safe again because safety is essential. Once we understand that yes, market is comfortably trading above 1808 level, then only we can consider this as a valid support. Okay, so what should be our strategy for Monday then? Okay, before jumping to the strategy, let's go to the Forex sentiment meter once. This is a Forex sentiment meter. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 56% retail traders have taken short position and 43% retail traders have taken long position. So retail traders are kind of confused right now. They are also not sure in which direction market will be moving. Generally whenever this kind of a sentiment we see on the market, then we understand that traders are also in dilemma right now. They are also confused right now. And one more thing, my dear friends, I have recently launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be bringing you the best trading opportunities available on the market on regular basis. So if you're interested, just go through the information here, and if you want to know more in detail, just click here. It will take you to a different page, pro trader here. Okay. Anyways, let's get back to the chart and try to understand what should be a strategy. So first and foremost, do not trade once the market opens. Let the market trade for quite some time after the market opening. Okay, just observe the market for couple of hours, okay, and just see how the price is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably above this level, okay, if you find market trading comfortably above this level, above this 1808 level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, at last this level has become the new support for the market. Listen to me carefully. If you find market trading comfortably above this level for a couple of hours on Monday, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, this is the new support. This is the new support, and you can easily go for a buy. You can easily go for a buy above this level because this will be your new support on the market. On the other hand, if market fails to trade above this level, then also do not short the market, because if you just observe this particular portion of the chart, then you can see that market is bullish here. If you just observe this particular portion of the chart, then you can see that market is bullish. And whenever market is an uptrend, market is bullish, then we should not short the market. We should mainly look for buying opportunities. Therefore, if market fails to hold this 1808 level and market faces some selling pressure, then your next best trading opportunity will be at this level. Sorry about the arrow. Okay. Your next best trading opportunity will be at this level, when market will be taking support at 1790 level as well as the trend line, because market has got double support here. Market has got double support here. So when market will be taking support at 1790 as well as the trend line at the double support, that will be your next best trading opportunity. So in the market, on the gold USD chart, you have got two trading opportunities. First and foremost, if market successfully trade above this level, then you can go for buy, because this will be your new support. On the other hand, if market fails to hold this level and comes down, then again you will get a good buying opportunity at this level. This will be a new buying opportunity. And if you buy here, okay, if you buy at this level 1790, your take profit target will be 1808 level. And if you buy at 1808 level, or here above this level, then your take profit target will be 1832 level. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood what you need to do on Monday. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.